Hey YouTube, it's the Real J Doll here on the Real J Doll's channel. Guys, I'm so excited for this video because this is my very first prep for vacation vlog. I've never successfully done these now. I've tried, I've recorded plenty of them, but this is the first successful one that I've done. So I'm so excited. In a week from now, I will be in Tulum, Mexico, living my best life. I will be in Mexico living my best life, and I'm so excited. We got a week to get everything done. It's Sunday and my flight leaves on next Tuesday, not this Tuesday coming up, but the next Tuesday. So I have a list of things that I need to do, doing a Target run, you know, getting necessary things, gotta go to the hair store, like all that. So right now I'm at the bank and I'm going to try and check and see the peso conversion, because I heard that you can get the best conversions rate at home through your bank. Just got back in the car. I didn't want to record in there because I don't want to, you know, show y'all my bank. That's too much information. Yeah, so I asked the lady about the conversions, and she said that it's kind of too late since I leave next Tuesday. But what I can do, so I can call my bank that's actually at the airport and ask them ahead of time, so that way when I go on Tuesday I can stop by there and just pick up the money type of thing. So check mark on that. Next we need to go to the hair store so I can get some hair for my trip. In the hair store. Which hair? Gosh. I think I'm gonna get one of these. It's too much to hold. Alright guys, let me stop playing. I'm at your people's favorite store right now, Target. And I created a list of things that I need to get while I'm here, because you know how it is when you go into the store. You end up getting a whole bunch of stuff that you don't need. I have sunscreen. I have the Black Girl sunscreen, but for some reason I feel like that's just for your face. But if not, just in case, I'm just going to get some sunscreen. Insect repellent. Leggings, because I don't have any black leggings. Any. Hopefully I can find a hat in here, like one of those cute bucket hats or something, I don't know. A water bottle, one that is what is this called, a Yeti, a tumbler, one like this, but mine has a clear plastic cap on top, so I want one that's insulated all the way so my water will stay cold all day long. I need more mascara, and I need the 9-volt batteries. And then while I'm in here, I'll pick up anything else, if I need any other travel size items or something, I don't know. But this is on my immediate list, so hopefully, you know, we can get these, get in and get out. Batteries. I need batteries. So I found the water bottles, but these aren't the right kind, and some of them are too expensive. So I will just be ordering them off Amazon. Okay, we're out of here. Okay, so it's Sunday night. It's about 8 o'clock, 7:59, 8 o'clock, and I have a lot to do this week. Between work, after work events, packing, I just got a lot going on this week, so I need to take advantage of the time while I have it. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I have to shampoo it, you know, clean it. I think my hair has been curly like this for a week now, so it's kind of time for me to wash it anyways. I usually wash my hair either every week and then deep condition every 2 weeks, or I'll just you know, wash every 2 weeks. It just depends on how I feel and what I did to my hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash it today, and I'm gonna deep condition it so that way it can be ready for me to blow dry my hair so I can braid my hair, because I feel like you get better results when you blow dry your hair versus having your hair natural and braided. It is such a pain to record while you're washing your hair.
Not only are you recording yourself washing your hair, but you gotta set the tripod in the bathroom. You gotta set the ring light. You gotta make sure that you're not showing yourself to the camera. You gotta make sure you have the product all close to the scene, all close to the. You gotta make sure you have the product close to the camera so it can be aesthetically pleasing. You have to make sure everything's in focus while you're just washing your hair. One of those are things, you know, I don't care what to do here. Like, you know, I'm not trying to do all that, so I'll record what I can for you guys.
So I don't know how these next couple clips are gonna go, but I hope you guys enjoy this wash routine. Ooh. Hey guys, it is Wednesday. Last time I was recording was Sunday. Since then, I've put in my last Amazon order. It should be coming Friday. My hair is still in the same state. I've been thugging it out with the little poof action going on. Look at my edges. Still the inches. Anyways, I want to start my hair today. It is 6:25 p.m. I only want to start my hair because I just feel like the closer I get, the less time I'm gonna have to do my hair. And there's stuff going on this weekend. I'm trying to be outside, and this head is nowhere near presentable. I just don't see it getting done any other day but tonight. I can give it a try. It's not gonna hurt. I'm just gonna try it out. First, I need to blend a pack of each of these. I need to blend the 613, the T27, and the 30. So I'll do that first. Okay, it is like 3 hours later. Yeah, and the top of my head is done. I didn't leave any edges out because I feel like naturally they're going to come out. So the front is done, child, but the back, I wish I could just leave it like this and go, but that's not it. I wonder, should I stop tonight? Can I finesse it? Cause I'm going to work tomorrow. Can I? I have to show them how I'm getting help. Yeah. Ah!
Come on now.
Because you never had to throw my head like that. You just go across and you split it. I don't know what you're doing. Hey! It is the next day. And it looks like my hair is done. But in reality, baby, we still got 2 more sections to go. So, yeah, the hair actually looks like it's about done now. And I love, like, the color. The vibe is giving Tulum. It's giving Tulum. But let me calm down. I have 2 more sections left, and I'm gonna try and hurry up and knock these 2 out. I stayed up until like 1 something. Yeah, I stayed up until like 1 something last night, and I'm tired. So let's, you know, try and hurry up and knock this out. That's fine. I just finished my hair, so I don't care about nothing. Ooh.
Let me see.
Okay. Hey guys. So it is Sunday night. T-minus 2 days. Well, Monday, Tuesday. T-minus 2 days until vacation time. So I've just started. Ooh. Okay, so boom. Swimsuit outfit, swimsuit outfit, swimsuit outfit, swimsuit outfit. Oh, that was nasty. Swimsuit outfit. This is like, you know, those white pants with the little things on the side, and then just a brown 1-piece suit. And this all. Then I also have this one. This is my classic, so I'm going to try not to wear it. But if we're going to be gone for a week, I'm sure we need plenty of swimsuits. And then this is a swimsuit too. This is a cute outfit here. That's new to the team. I have this dress. And then I have this box purse to go with it. This is for zip lining, ATV riding day. This is a dress. Super cute. And then I also have this set here. So this is like a big t-shirt and then matching biker shorts. But if it's too hot, then I also have this shirt. And this is like a cropped shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 outfits for 7 days. That's not enough. So I need to keep packing. Hey team, I'm finally home and it's time to get down to business, okay? I just did my Amazon haul. I don't know if that'll be up, excuse me, before or after this video, but if it's up before, make sure you go watch that video. But if not, make sure you look out for that video. It's Amazon's Travel Must-Haves video. I got you. We're about to go ahead and get this packing party started. I want to do one of those travel outfit things for TikTok so bad, but it's just like, man, I don't have the time nor the energy to do that right now. I have these big suitcases now. It's giving professional traveler. All right. So I've got an angle. It may look a little messy, but at this point, it is what it is.
Acting by night. Keep going crazy.
Okay guys, it's 12:23 right now. I am making a list, a to-do list of things for me to do in the morning. Oh, and I need to pack a book too. No, I think packing a book is overdoing it because I know I'm not gonna read it. I'll just pack it just in case. But I will see you guys. Oh, this is the end of this vlog. I'll show you my nails. The final look. If I already showed you before, I'm showing you again because these nails are fire. I love this nail right here. Nia always does her thing. But this is the end of my travel vlog. Wow. I mean, not my travel vlog. This is the end of my prepare with me vlog. Wow, I finally made it through one. You guys do not know how many times I tried to do one. And I finally made it through. And I actually recorded me getting my nails done. I wasn't scared to ask. Okay, but that is all. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Hopefully the next video is the travel vlog of me in Tulum. Or, yeah, because I'll have to do the pack with me before. So yeah, so excited for my trip. Let's cross our fingers everything goes well. And I will see you in my next video.